class. That's okay. We got 6 racing here, folks. This is for all the marbles. We got full welds. We got 2 chain and goes. It's 72 and 9, which are the chain and goes. 27, 58, 22, and 50. Scott Malshinsky, those are all the full builds. We got Sam. He's in control of the flag here, folks. Drivers, are you ready? Sam, are you ready? Fans, are you ready? Fans, are you ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Let's get it on! Folks, here we are racing. This is the grand finale today, folks. Six entered, 1 leaves. Scott Malashitsky looks like he's got the fanciest car out there in the JBS 50 car. But Kevin Saves takes a shot at him in the 27 Dave Noller car. There's lots of smashing out there right now. Nobody's really gaining a clear advantage out there. Randy Bourgeois in the number 9 car. Ethan Hickson at 22. Tyson Skibby at 72. In the JBS 50 car, that's Scott Malashitsky. Kevin Staves in the 27 car. Martin Zarb in the 58 car. Big hit throw by Kevin Saves on Scott Malshinsky. Scott Malshinsky barely feels it, just puts the car in forward and gets going. Big hit by Kevin Saves on 72 Tyson Skibby. Oh, it looks like Scott Malshinsky's chasing down Ethan Hickson, the Joker right now. The Joker's trying to get away. Tyson Skibby runs interference on Scott Malashitsky. Ethan Hickson flies around there on a hit on Kevin Staves in the 27 car. Scott Malashitsky takes a shot on Ethan Hickson's 22. Looks like Martin Zarb in the 58 car's hung up on Randy Bourgeois, but Scott Malashitsky lends a little hand and knocks him off there. Big hit on Ethan Hickson, flies in there on Kevin Staves, backs right out into Tyson Skibby's 72. Scott Malashitsky's car isn't looking quite as pretty. The back end's almost completely pushed in now. It looks like the Joker 22, he's holding his body up pretty good there. Scott Malashitsky says, no, I'm going to push you right out of here there, Ethan Hickson. As they knock over the no post on the sign there. That's Kevin Staves saying, Ethan Hickson, your car's too damn pretty. We're going to make it ugly. Scott Malashitsky says, get out of here, Ethan Hickson. Martin Zarbot's in on part of that as well, too, as they bully up on Ethan Hickson's 22 car, the Joker. Looks like Kevin Staves is losing a little bit of water out of the front end of that 27 car. Quite a bit of steam, some flames coming out of the stack. Scott Malachitsky. Oh, look at that. The Joker gets it going again. But we got a big hole in the ring over there. So like I said earlier, the chain and go cars were at a little bit of a disadvantage. And it looks like Randy Bourgeois in the number 9 car, he's having trouble getting rolling along. And Tyson Skibby in the 72 car, he was going for a moment there, but it looks like they're both having trouble. So right now it's just the full builds going at it, with the Joker throwing a hit down on 58, Martin Zarb, and then Scott Malachitsky taking a shot at Kevin Staves in the 27 car. We got fire underneath Randy Bourgeois car. Fire, 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 fire. All right, guys. Just make sure everything's okay. Hang on a second, guys. Hang on.
Hey, still going.
Hang on, let's just make sure it's clear. We still got fire. Fire underneath again. Ladies and gentlemen, how about a big round of applause for our fine folks from the Hope Volunteer Fire Department? How about a big shout out to the fine folks from Hope Search and Rescue? Thanks, guys. Well, that's what we're here for, a little bit of fun. We clean it all up, we get back to racing. We're going to get those guys out of the ring. Hang on a second, Martin. Hang on. We still got one guy in the ring. Okay. Hang on. Martin's just trying to keep that car going because he knows if he stops it, he's not going to get it going again. That's why he's going back and forth back there. Sometimes once these cars lose their momentum, they're done. So they got to keep them rolling. Right now, we definitely know I have 4 in there. We'll see what goes on. Here we go, guys. We're back on. Okay, so Scott Malachitsky, he's missing a front tire. Martin Zarb comes along. He gives him a little shot. Ethan Hickson is 22 in the Joker. And we got Kevin Staves in that 27 Dave Noller car. I don't know whether Tyson Skibby in that 72 can get that car going again, but I sure see him in there. He's still trying. No time limit today, guys. Last man standing wins. Scott Malachitsky came in looking good, but that front tire, hopefully he doesn't get stuck. He's got to keep that car moving. Looks like we had a hit thrown down there. That was Kevin Staves on Martin Zarb's 58 car. Scott Malachitsky's having some trouble there. He doesn't want to dig himself too big of a hole, otherwise he ain't getting out. Martin Zarb's going to come and give him a little hand. Martin gives him another shot, trying to get him going again. Right now, Martin's got the last hit in. All right. It looks like we have 2 cars, maybe 3 cars still going. And that's Martin Zarb in the 58 car. He's got the last hit in. Kevin Staves in the 27 car. He's still moving, but he doesn't have a hit in a while. And Scott Malachitsky, I don't think he's going to get that car going again, but he's still trying. And Martin's going, come on, Scott, I want to play. Let's go. But Scott can't get that car going. All right, now it looks like 58 is a car to beat. But that 27 car, I've seen it race before. It is pretty bulletproof. It's going to take a lot to shut it down. Now Kevin's got the last hit in the number 27. All right, folks, the last hit right now belongs to car number 27. Looks like we're getting ready for a big smash, folks. Come on! Oh, and that's it. Can we have a tie here? Is that a tie, Scott? Did they both hit? What do we call that one? Oh man, they were both forward momentum. That looks like a tie. Let's see if either one of them get their car going. How long are we going to give them?
A little bit here.
We're going to give you guys a bit. See if you get those cars going. We need a winner. We need a winner. Somebody get their car going. Come on. Oh. I think I can. Come on. Somebody get their car going. We're sitting in a tie right now. We can't have a tie, guys. Come on, get your cars going. Oh, I think this could be it. We may need to put a fork in them. I think they're done. Oh, no. That's it, folks. The helmet's off. I think that's the race, folks. We got a winner. We got a tie. 27, Kevin stays, and 58, Martin Zarb. They're tied it up. In third place, that's Scott Malshinsky in the 50 car. Fourth place, that's Ethan Hickson. Folks, thanks for coming out and spending the afternoon with us for this little bit of time there. We hope you enjoyed yourself. Don't forget, if you're feeling generous, any donation would be appreciated.